Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. I am Bhupati from the Department of Commerce in Bharat Dasna Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now I am going to teach 12th standard accountancy, accounts of not-for-profit organizations. The chapter about the non-profit organization. What is meant by non-profit organizations, sir? Some of the organizations are established for the purpose of rendering services to the public without any profit. For examples, schools, colleges, libraries and some of the organizations which are established for purpose of giving services to the society and not for the profit motive. Then for for what purpose they established? They established for the purpose of promotion of art, culture, education, sports, etc. So these are the organizations are called the organization for non-profit organizations. Now we will solve the exercise number 7, page number 73. From the given information, we are going to prepare the Kumbakonam Basketball Association income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2018. Okay, children, are you ready? Okay, we will solve one by one. First, all the expenses are made by the organization which appear debit side in the format, and all the incomes are gained by the organization which appear in the credit side or income side in the format. Okay, now we will apply the value of each and every item given in the problem one by one. First, we will see the expenses. What are the expenses made by the organization to run the organization? Okay. First one is the rent paid. Rent paid the organization to the landowner or building owners. So rent paid is the one of the expenses. Now see the value of rent paid. What is that? The value of rent paid is 12,000 rupees. So right, 12,000 rupees. Then see the next expenditure, printing and stationery. Some of the times the business organization purchase stationery for office use. So this is one of the expenditure made by the organizations. So printing and stationery. What is the value of printing and stationery? See your books. The value is 5,000 rupees. Right? 5,000 rupees. See the next expenditure, bank charges. When an organization doing a business transaction through banking, certain time the organization will pay the charges to the banking for maintaining accounts, for using a debit card or credit card, or using a check or using a bank overdraft facility. So these are the circumstances the business organization will pay the bank charges to the bank. So now see, what is the value of bank charges? The value is 1,000 rupees. Okay. See the next one, tournament expenses. Some of the organization will conduct their tournament to excite the members or zealous or feel happy the members in the organization, so that they conduct their tournament in the business premises. That is the tournament expenses. See the value of tournament expenses. The value is 16,000 rupees. So right, 16,000 rupees. See the next expenditure, audit fees. In each and every end of the financial year, the organization should audit their accounts. Daily, what are the organization should audit their accounts regularly? Correct. The companies and business organization which have a large number of transactions and huge number of value of cash involved in the organization, they should follow the double entry system and they should audit their accounts at the end of the financial year. Rakesh, what is the end of the financial year? What is the date? Correct. 31st March of the every year. So that 31st March of the every year, every organization should audit their accounts. Vignesh, what are the organizations should not audit their accounts at the end of the financial year? Correct. The sole proprietorship, the small business, the partnership firms may not follow the auditing rules and regulations may not audit their accounts at the end of the financial year. Very good. Now see, the value of audit fees is 3000 rupees. So write 3000 rupees. Then see the next expenditure, sports material purchase. Some of the non-profit organization running as a sports organization. That time they have to purchase a sports material which can be used by its member, so that at the end of the regular period they purchase a sports material. So this is one of the expenses made by the organization. So now see, what is the value of sports material purchase? The value is 4000 rupees. So right, 4000 rupees. Then see the next expenditure, insurance for building. Every organization have a premises and building. Sometimes the earthquake or unexpected accidents will be happen in the buildings, so that the huge loss will not be borne by the organization. Dinesh Kumar, then what should do the organization for safeguard the buildings? Correct. They insure the buildings to avoid or to bear the loss of the buildings. So the insurance for buildings is one of the expenditure which is made by the organization. Now see, what is the value of insurance for building? The value is 2000 rupees. Right? 2000 rupees. Within that, the expenses sides are over. Then what should do? We will move on to the income side. Incomes are the revenues which is gained by the organization by its performance to its member to make them happy in the organizations. So incomes are one by one. We will apply the value of each and every income in the organization. First one is the rent for all. What is that, sir? Rent received for all giving as a rent basis. When the all are given to other persons as rent basis, the organization received a rent. That is called rent for all. What is the value of rent for all? The value is 6000 rupees. So right, 6000 rupees. Then see the subscription received. What is that, sir? Subscription received from members by the organization for giving a happy moments or happy circumstances in the organization. So this is one of the income gained by the organization. What is the value of subscription received? The value is 9000 rupees. So right, 9000 rupees. Then see the next income, locker rent received. When the members or public use their locker facilities in this organization, they should pay the separate amount as a locker rent charges. That when the organizations are received locker rent charges from the members, it is one of the income gained by the organization. So the locker rent received from its member, this is one of the income for non-profit organization. So write this here. The value of locker rent received is 2000 rupees. So write 2000 rupees. Within that, income sides are over. Then what should do? Comment section. What should do next? Correct. We will see on which side show a higher amount in the income side and the expenses side. Mansur, on which side show a higher amount? Correct. The expenditure shows higher amount than the income. In normal business transaction always shows income for higher amount than the expenditure. But sometimes the business organization will face huge amount of expenditure incurred in the organization than the income gained by the organization. In these problems, the organizations, Kumbakonam Basketball Association, spend so much of expenses to satisfy the members than the income received from its member. So in this problem, the expenses are more than the income. So what should do next? We will total the value of expenses column. Now add the values. 100 sides are no problem. So write 000 in a 100 columns. Then put a arrow mark. Then we move on to the 1000 sides. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 16, 34. 34 plus 3, 37. 37 plus 4, 41. 41 plus 2, 43. So the total value is 43,000 rupees. So write 43,000 rupees. Then what should do? Write the same amount in the total column of income side. Write 43,000 rupees. Then we should know what is the value of deficit, sir. What is the value of deficit? What is the loss incurred by the organization? Then what should do? First we should write the total value of expenditure 43,000 rupees. Then what should do? We have to calculate the total value of income. 6,000 plus 9,000, 15,000 plus 2,000, 17,000. So write 17,000 in the. Now we deduct 17,000 from 43,000 rupees. Okay. Deduct 100 sides are no problem. So write 000. Then move on to the 1000 side. 3 minus 7 is not possible. So that we borrow from 1 year. The 4 is become 3. The 3 is become 30. 30 minus 7, 6. Okay. Then move on to the 3 minus 1. The answer is 2. Finally, we got the value of 26,000 rupees. This is the value of what? This is the value of deficit or loss made by the organization. So write 26,000 rupees. In this problem, we got deficit made by the organization. The value is 26,000 rupees. By following the same method, we have to prepare the remaining sums in the chapter. Okay. For your further reference, I attach PowerPoint presentation, study material, question bank, self-assessment test in the description. Use it. Dear parents, help your children to do their work. Thank you.